Welcome, Burning Bears. I'm Thomas Myers.
And I'm Cheech, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Tuesday, September 10th, 2019.
Bears, administrators will continue checking for off-campus stickers. Administrators want to remind those students going off-campus that you must return in time for the next class. Don't risk losing your off-campus privileges.
Let's support the volleyball program by buying a t-shirt. They have a limited amount, so it's first come, first serve. Sizes are from small to XL for $10 and XXL to XXXL for $12. See Coach Dolly for more information. Let's also get out and support them as they take on the Brandeis today at Paul Taylor at 5:30 p.m.
Saturday, September 14th, get out and support your running Bears at the Cross Country UIW Invitational at Live Oak City Park beginning at 8 a.m.
Bears, mark your calendars for next week's open house. September 19th from 6:50 p.m. to 8:35 p.m.
Homecoming Spirit Days continue with today's movie character or Disney character day, and tomorrow is Decade or Sports Day.
We continue with Thursday as Spirit Day as we go up against the J Mustangs. Remember to wear your moms and make plans to attend the pep rally at 8 a.m. We'll end Spirit Week Friday as Tourist or Hippie Day.
The homecoming dance with the theme Once Upon a Time is scheduled Saturday, September 14th in the cafeteria from 8 to 11 p.m. You can vote for the homecoming court via a Google form. Also, a link will be available on Twitter at Bears_StuCo, as well as a QR code placed around campus.
Tickets are on sale for $20 cash until Friday, and if you'd like to invite a guest who does not come to Brennan, you can pick up a form at the Vice Principal's office.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual cheer clinic Saturday, September 21st, beginning at 8:30 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. with a show for parents. The cost is $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and also participation in a performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Ms. Cynthia Farrell at 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Last Friday, many of you turned out to support the Bears, especially the student section, keeping the Bears spirit going through the game. Take a look at some highlights.
Finally, let's congratulate our varsity Bears as they beat the Warren Warriors 32-14. Take a look at some highlights from Friday's game. You did a great job. You held.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brendan website. Let's support our teams and have a great day, Bears.
I'm Thomas Myers.
And I'm Cheech, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.